Tater Tot Waffle. Here's what you'll need to prepare this recipe. Heat a waffle iron to medium dark and then lightly brush the grate with vegetable oil or olive oil. You want to brush both the top and the bottom grate. Arrange your defrosted tater tots in a snug but single layer all across the grate. For these large round waffles, I needed about 30 tater tots for each waffle. Next, close the lid firmly but carefully. You may want to wear a pot holder and press down on the center of your waffle iron so you don't burn your hand, but you want to get it pushed all the way down so you can lock it into place, and then cook your tater tot waffle until it is crisp and brown. In my waffle iron, this took about 6 minutes on medium dark. And there you have it, a tater tot waffle. If you're going to serve these with cheese, I recommend adding the cheese immediately so that the waffle is hot enough to melt the cheese, but you could let diners add their own cheese at the table. Top these with anything you like on your hash browns or baked potato. I went with the classic combination of cheddar cheese, chives, and sour cream with a little salsa on the side. I hope you enjoyed this video. For the complete recipe, please visit us at arkansasonline.com/cooking.